Hello everyone, welcome back to our Stata tutorial series. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to transform a variable, particularly the log transformation. So what is a log transformation? Log transformation is basically transforming variable, taking the natural log of that variable. And it's important because sometimes your variable might have high skewness in its distribution, and then certain statistical tests require that variable needs to be normally distributed. So the closer your variable is to the normal distribution, the better the results, because it satisfies the statistical assumption in certain statistical tests, for example, OLS regression. So now let me show how to do the log transformation. So we'll select a variable called, let me show you the variable first, sum EFPC. So now you can see minimum and maximum. Minimum is 0.08 and maximum 22, mean 3 for 862 observations. However, we need more detail about the variable, so you can run sum EFPC and detail. So it gives you the detail of this variable. So what we need to see is that the skewness, which is 2.01. so normally what my teacher has taught me is that normally once the variable skewness is 1 or less than 1, that's quite acceptable. So that's a rule of thumb for my teacher, but it could vary from people to people. So we're not going to talk about the details about it, but now this skewness of 2 needs to be reduced for satisfying the normality assumption. So now let's do the log transformation. Before that, I want to show you the skewness in a histogram. So write hist and EFPC. This gives us a visual representation of the skewness of this variable. Okay, so as you can see, this variable is skewed to the right, so it's positively skewed. Okay. Now then EFPC ln, which is basically the log transformation, equals ln, not I, don't make the mistake, ln EFPC. So the bracket close. So hit enter. So now we have this ln EFPC variable, sum ln EFPC, and we ask for the detail. So now skewness is reduced to it's negative, so it's kind of negatively skewed to the left. So for 0.3, which is, as I said, less than 1 is quite acceptable as a rule of thumb. So this is quite fine, and this looks good. So we'll also see it as in a histogram ln EFPC. So yeah, not exactly normally distribution, as the skewness would be 0, but it's not 0. However, it is close to the normal distribution. It's way better than what we had previously, and then this satisfies the statistical assumptions like OLS regression. So yeah, that's all about logs transformation. So we'll talk about this when we and talk about the regression and how we do the regression diagnostics and how to solve those problems when we see the certain things are not satisfying the assumption of OLS regression and other statistical tests. So for now, this is enough for understanding log transformation. Thanks for watching.